In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit VAT on Xero. Getting your VAT submitted correctly is crucial for any business, and Xero makes this process smooth and efficient. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to get this task done with confidence. First off, begin by navigating to the Xero homepage. This is your starting point. From here, you'll want to access your account, which brings us to our next action. Locate the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. A simple click here will commence your journey into your financial world. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to input the credentials that you set up for your Xero account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's a handy forgot password link that can assist you in resetting it. After successfully inputting your data, go ahead and click on the Login button. This action grants you access to your dashboard, the command center from which you can steer all your accounting operations in Xero. Once you're logged in and familiarizing yourself with the dashboard's layout, you need to head over to the accounting section. You might wonder, why accounting first? Well, it's because this section holds the financial settings that we need to adjust for our VAT submission. On some layouts, you might need to look for an alternative term like financial settings, depending on updates or region-specific versions of Xero. After selecting accounting, your next step is to click on advance. This might seem like a deep dive into the settings, but it's exactly where you need to be. Advanced settings give you the functionalities beyond the regular day-to-day data entry and reporting, allowing you to customize and control your financial operations in detail. Inside the advanced settings, you'll spot the option labeled tax rates. Click on this to unfold a world where you can manage, edit, and create new tax rates specific to your business's needs. This is crucial because having accurate tax rates ensures your VAT calculations are precise and compliant with regional tax laws. Following this, click on New Tax Rate. This link is your gateway to adding new tax components specific to your business or updating rates according to the latest tax legislation. It's an essential step because VAT rates can and do change, and staying updated is non-negotiable for compliance. Upon selecting New Tax Rate, you'll need to add your tax rate display name. This could be anything that helps you identify the VAT rate, like standard VAT or reduced rate VAT. Being descriptive here helps avoid confusion when you're selecting tax rates for different transactions. Next up, add your tax components and percentage. This step is where you input the figures, the actual percentage that constitutes the VAT rate you're dealing with. For instance, if the standard VAT rate is 20%, this is where you jot down those numbers. It's the crux of your VAT calculation, hence accuracy is key. Finally, click on Save. It might seem like a small step, but it's the action that locks in all your inputs, ensuring that the tax rates you've specified are now set and ready to be applied to your financial transactions within Xero. Remember, the world of taxation is always on the move with regulations and rates frequently updated. The steps we've walked through not only get your VAT EE submissions ready, but also ensure your business remains compliant and up to date with current tax laws. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to submitting VAT on Xero. From logging in to setting up your tax rates, each step is vital to ensure your business's financial operations run smoothly and comply with tax regulations. Remember, Xero is designed to simplify these processes, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. So take these steps, apply them, and manage your VAT as submissions efficiently. And, of course, Xero's support resources are there to assist if you find yourself in need of further clarification on any of these steps. Happy accounting, and here's to your business's success.